Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदीचे जाहीर सभे खातीर मडगांवचो बस स्टँड 8 दिसां खातीर फातोड्डे इंडोर स्टेडियमा लागीं शिफ्ट. 9 तारखेक आसा तसो परत मडगांवां.
हांगासर क्यूज बीन आसताले पण सेम काउंटर्स थंय रेप्लिकेट केलेले आसा. व्हीलचेअर आहा फॉर हँडिकॅप पर्सन्स, वॉशरूम्स, टॉयलेट्स, मुवेबल टॉयलेट्स दिलेले आसा आमी थंय. क्यूज सेपरेट फॉर सिनियर सिटीजन. एवरीथिंग इज बीन सेम एज ऑफ नाव वॉट वॉज देर. सेम हेज बीन रेप्लिकेटेड ओवर देर. No, same road astalo until before 6th. On 6th, this road will be closed. Before 6th, the same road will be there. Like from Junction Agardan to same same road astalo. So all the commuters are requested that from tomorrow, from 1st, we are shifting to the temporary bus stand. And till 8th, we are there. On 9th, we are coming on the actual bus stand.
मजगती मोदीचे येवकाराक तयारेचो नियाळ घेवपाक संबंधीत जावंडारां बरोबर दक्षिण गोंय जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांची बसका जाली.
We took a review meeting at the district level, so all the preparations are on track.
So what are the traffic arrangements?
See, traffic, the police is coming up with a detailed plan. So there is 2 traffic arrangements. One is for the event, which is going to happen for a few days, and the separate other one is for the security traffic arrangement with respect to PM's event. But since both are going on, and we have directed them to take care of all the necessary this thing.
So how many agencies are there now at present?
All the major departments, PWD, electricity, waste management, corporation, collectorate. So at least 20 departments will be involved.
प्रुडंटा खातीर 6 डायस.